William, Elizabeth, it is wonderful to have you back at the New York Stock Exchange. Thank you for joining me on Floor Talk today.
So glad to be here. Thank you for having us.
Thank you. It's a big treat. We look forward to it every year.
It's a treat that we look forward to every year, highlighting the Estee Lauder Companies, the breast cancer campaign. It's actually been more than 30 years. Tell me, William, why is this so important?
You know, it's an acknowledgement of the extraordinary effort of all the employees of the Estee Lauder Companies in the work that they do in both raising awareness for breast cancer and helping to raise money to fund breast cancer research to help find a cure.
Now, Elizabeth, you became the global ambassador of the campaign in the 1990s. Tell me, how has the campaign evolved?
The campaign has evolved so much since Evelyn Lauder, William's mother, asked me to help her with her campaign. She asked me in '95. She'd very recently set up the Breast Cancer Research Foundation and the Estee Lauder Companies Breast Cancer Campaign. And at that time, I didn't know anything about breast cancer. And she said that was the problem, no one did. And she was determined to change that and determined to have the world talking about breast cancer. So she just co-invented the pink ribbon. And of course now, young people have no idea that there was a time with no pink ribbon, and a time where we didn't wear pink for October, and a time when we weren't raising money for research. But that time was then, and I remember it very well, and William, of course, is going to remember those early days when it was really pioneer work.
William, tell me, what are you most proud of, and how will the campaign continue to drive impact?
First of all, of the commitment that everybody's made to the cause, which is to find a cure for breast cancer. The money that we've been able to raise has enabled us to fund these amazing, brilliant researchers who are all working together to find a cure. And we've made tremendous progress in the 30 years, and now we're at a point where 92% of women diagnosed with stage 1 breast cancer can survive 5 years or more. But there's still the 8% who don't, and there's still a ways to go till we get to zero.
And Elizabeth, finally, tell me, what do you want people to know about advocating for their breast health?
This year, we've really realized that so many people now are aware of breast cancer. That campaign has really kicked home and worked. But very often people say, well, what should I be doing? I don't have breast cancer, but what should I be doing? How can I help? So we have this amazing new dedicated site on the Estee Lauder Companies website, where women really can go onto that and really find out about this disease. They can do a risk assessment. They can be taught how to do a self-examination. They can find out all sorts of health advice, exercise advice, lifestyle advice, and that's really something people can do. So we're saying that breast care is self-care right now, and really encouraging women to bring in taking care of their breasts as part of their routine. And people are listening to that, and I really think it's going to make a big difference.
Well, it's been wonderful to talk with you both, and thank you for all that you're doing to help find a cure for breast cancer.
Thank you for having us.